Every single day, more and more people are becoming rich through YouTube. Big creators keep encouraging everyone to start their own channel, saying things like,
why you should potentially consider starting a YouTube channel.
Why you should keep posting.
Why starting a YouTube channel is actually a great idea.
But let's be real, none of them actually tell you how to do it. How do you edit videos without pulling your hair out? What's a catchy channel name that people won't forget? How do you actually get millions of views? How do I design a thumbnail that actually edits videos so they feel exciting and fun to watch? Can I really do this?
Are you okay?
I'm not sure if I can be a successful YouTuber.
It's all up to you. Is your desire strong enough?
Of course. I will give my everything.
Are you sure you won't give up?
I won't. But where do I start?
Here, take this.
This is 4 things new creators should do to grow fast, and maybe even go viral. The first thing you need to do is figure out your niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? Think of it as the theme or focus of your channel, the specific topic or category that your content revolves around. If YouTube were like a giant city, your niche would be your neighborhood. Are you hanging out in the gaming neighborhood, the cooking neighborhood, the tech review neighborhood, the beauty and lifestyle block, or maybe the weird but wonderful meme alleyway? Whatever it is, your niche is where people will find you. Now here's the tricky part. Not every niche is the same. Some are oversaturated, like generic gaming or random vlogging, while others are way more specific and easier to stand out in. So, how do you pick the right one? There are 2 key rules. The first is, choose a niche you're genuinely passionate about. I cannot stress this enough. If you pick a niche only because it looks profitable, you're setting yourself up for frustration. Sure, chasing trends might give you a spike in views at first, but the moment those views dip, and trust me, they will, you'll feel burned out. But if you choose something you actually enjoy, creating content feels less like work and more like fun. You'll naturally know more about the topic, you'll enjoy researching it, and you'll have way more stamina to keep going, even when the numbers aren't exploding. Like Steve Jobs said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. And on YouTube, that's absolutely true. The second rule is keep your niche specific. Let's say you want to start a channel about food. That's way too broad. There are millions of food channels out there. But what if you focus on budget-friendly meals for students or 5-minute healthy recipes? Now you're speaking directly to a specific group of people, and those people will subscribe because you're solving their exact problem. Here's a little secret. When you try to appeal to everyone, you actually appeal to no one. But when you narrow down your niche, you become the go-to creator in that space. All right, now that you've got your niche, it's time to pick a channel name. Sounds simple, right? But don't underestimate this step. Your name is your brand. It's the first impression people get when they stumble upon your videos. Here are 3 things to keep in mind. 1. Keep it short and memorable. Aim for 1 to 3 words. Nobody wants to subscribe to a channel called The Amazing World of Cooking and Lifestyle and More 123. Nah, keep it tight. Short names stick in people's heads way easier. Then, add something related to your niche. If your channel is about fitness, having fit, gym, or health in your name helps new viewers instantly understand what your content is about. It's also a little SEO hack. If people search for those keywords, your channel name itself could help you rank higher. And make sure it's unique. Now, YouTube doesn't mind if multiple people use the same name, but you don't want viewers confusing you with another creator, especially a bigger one. So do this. Type your potential name in the YouTube search bar, filter by channels, and see if any channel with over 100,000 subscribers already uses it. If not, you're good to go. Now, don't stress too much about this. As your channel grows, your content will be way more important than your name. But when you're starting out, a catchy, relevant, and unique name can give you that little edge. The third thing you need to do is get your tools and software. I know what you're thinking. Do I need a fancy camera, expensive lights, and a professional studio? Nah, you don't really need those things anymore these days. A YouTube video only has two main parts: visuals and audio. That's it. For visuals, at the bare minimum, you just need a smartphone and a computer or laptop. That's enough to create decent videos. If you want to invest in a proper camera, go for it. But don't let not having one stop you. Plenty of creators have blown up using nothing but their phone. For editing, there are 4 solid options for beginners: CapCut, Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, or iMovies for Apple users. Next is the audio. Good audio doesn't mean buying a $500 microphone. You can literally record with your phone and then clean it up using Audacity, which is free, simple, and lightweight. Or Adobe Audition if you want more advanced features. If you're making faceless content and need AI voices, here's the deal. Free ones like Google or Bing sound way too robotic. If you want something more natural, invest in tools like 11 Labs. And yep, the voice you're hearing in this video right now, that's AI. So, what I want to tell you is don't let gear stop you. Start with what you have. Upgrade as you go. Content always beats equipment. And the last thing you should do is plan your content and just start. Here's the last step, and honestly, it's the one most people mess up. You need to plan your content, but you also need to stop overthinking and just start. Here's how to do it. Start with your niche. Break it down into bigger topics. These can later become playlists. Brainstorm specific video ideas under those topics. Pick one idea and make it. Don't fall into the trap of endless planning. A lot of beginners think, I'll start when I'm ready. I'll start when I have the perfect idea. I'll start when I buy a better camera. Guess what? That perfect moment will never come. Mark Zuckerberg once said, "Done is better than perfect." And that's exactly how you need to approach YouTube. Your first video won't be perfect, and that's okay. The point is to just get started, because the more you create, the better you'll get. So plan your niche, plan your topics, but don't waste months waiting. The sooner you start, the sooner your growth begins. That's it. 4 things. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, if you actually follow through, you'll be way ahead of 90% of new creators who quit after uploading 3 random videos. So now, I want to hear from you. What's your niche gonna be? Drop it in the comments. Who knows? You might just inspire someone else to start their journey too. And remember, the only way to fail on YouTube is to quit.